Got an Imperial Schrade knife here, IMP13. Okay, got some literature. Alright, Taylor Brands LLC. Taylor Brands owns Imperial Cutlery, Schrade, Buck, Uncle Henry, and they're also licensed to sell various products under the Smith & Wesson brand, in case you didn't know that there. Oh, whatever. So they got some literature in here, shows you how to work the knife. Okay. Alright, this one is called the Schrade Imperial White Pearl Small Trapper Pocket Knife. So you can see that fits right in the palm of my hand. And just first impressions, I like it. You know, these pocket knives are not for everybody, but I like them. Kind of cool as a collector piece or to use just kind of down in your pocket type of thing. Alright, this is supposed to be 400 stainless steel.
California warning.
See the Imperial Schrade markings. And it has the Imperial with a little crown stamp there. Imperial inlaid here. There's the model number, IMP13. Also has a Spay blade. Look at that. And I do believe this is probably a faux pearl, because I mean, you know, this knife is basically a $5 knife. It'll range anywhere from $5 to $10 depending on where you're getting it from. You know, you just got to factor in shipping. Pretty nice stainless steel there, and stainless steel on the pins as well. Alright, let's see what kind of edge it has on it. Will it cut paper? One standard sheet of copy paper. Not too bad. Not too bad. I like it.